just arrived at the Silver Legacy here in downtown Reno. We're gonna get checked in. There's a bit of a line and we'll show you our room. Hey you guys, we just checked into the Silver Legacy here in Reno, Nevada. 27th floor, room 2768. So, might as well start here with the restroom. Looks clean and modern, I would say. Modernized anyways. Separate commode. Here's the shower. I'll let you know how the pressure is and if it gets hot and all that important stuff. And here is the closet. Actually looks larger than a lot of them. Yeah, not too shabby. Decent sized closet. And you can see there are 2 queen beds. The beds look nice. The charger between the beds there. Fridge, does it feel cold? Hope so.
Yeah.
Great. And nice sized TV. There's a safe in here. So a few drawers, not a ton of space, huh, as far as putting things out of the suitcase. But here's a little desk area and a Keurig, which if you've watched any of our videos know that is a favorite of ours for sure. And our view, it's very hazy today. There are some fires burning, so the sky is not super blue, but we're up nice and high and we can actually see pretty far. So we'll let you know what we think of our experience here at the Silver Legacy. Hey you guys, we have checked out of the Silver Legacy in downtown Reno, and I think overall we had a pretty positive experience. Just one glitch, but they took care of it, was the refrigerator in the room took a nosedive on us, so we let them know and they did replace it. So
yeah, I said the same day, I think.
Yeah, so you know, that was good. The shower had really good pressure, very hot, able to wash my hair, which if you have thick hair, you know what I mean by that. And bed's comfy. It was quiet.
It was very quiet, yeah.
And I think, you know, the air conditioning was okay.
Yeah, it's kind of the same as El Dorado, you know. It was really hot in Reno, so it had a tough time keeping up. And obviously, you know, as we talk about all the time, when it's that hot outside, we want the room colder, but
yeah,
we survived.
It wasn't like warm like some of the rooms we've had,
yeah.
But we like it pretty cold.
Yeah, because it just gets a little stuffy at night.
Yeah, but other than that, I think personally I liked our room at El Dorado better.
Yeah.
It just was roomier. Just I think the overall experience at El Dorado was better. Silver Legacy was fine, and I mean our room was comped. You can't really complain about it. But if I were to choose, I would definitely lean towards the El Dorado if you're thinking of staying in downtown Reno, just from our experience.
Yeah, and you definitely want to get a higher floor because otherwise you're going to be looking at a lot of rooftops. So
yeah, and you still kind of do. Yeah, you still kind of do. But the way the properties are connected, all the restaurants, you could still go back and forth to all the restaurants really easily. You don't even have to go outside. So it does make it easy, whichever property you're staying at. But if you have a choice, I'd recommend El Dorado.
Yep.
Yeah. Anything else?
No, I really enjoyed, you know, really El Dorado and Silver Legacy. So I mean, they're very close. If obviously, you know, if you can't get into El Dorado, Silver Legacy is a good second choice.
Yeah, agree. Yeah, I mean, we would stay there again, but just given the choice, I think we would choose the El Do. So, if you guys have stayed at either, let us know your thoughts on the properties. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks, you guys.